Today we are in Marquette, and as some of you may know, I lived in Marquette for years, and it's one of my favorite places on earth. I've never been to Morgan Falls or Carp River Falls, so I figured I'd come see them in the spring. Let's go. Oh, this is awesome. So this is the Morgan Creek, and then that's Carp River over there. Somebody who understands the area better, let me know why they're called the Unnamed Morgan Falls. I realize this is the Morgan Creek and those are the falls, so they're unnamed, but like, aren't they just called the Morgan Falls? My only regret about hiking these falls is that I didn't do it sooner. I love the waterfalls in the Marquette area, and this one I knew about it, but I never did, and I'd say it's one of the more rewarding hikes that you can do in this area. We just got done looking at Carp River Falls, but once we got there, we kind of forgot to talk about it because it's one of the most visually stunning waterfalls that I've ever been to, and I got out all of my best lenses to try to zoom in and do it justice. I don't know if I did, but I do want to show you it. That is a stunning waterfall.
It's amazing. I like the turns.
Yeah. So that was Carp River Falls. We're done with that, and I'm starving now because that was quite a, I'd say a moderately difficult hike. So we have to go find some food.
Do you have that blueberry beer?
Through a lot of different changes in just the sky today. We had a little bit of snow, but it's very nice out because there's no wind, but now it's just totally blue skies.
He's not lying.